In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize the layout of your channel. So first I want to show you my channel so I can show you what I'm talking about. So see, if I scroll down on my channel, you can see that I have different playlists and different types of videos that I have laid out to create this sort of easy to see and easy to find layout. So you scroll down, I have specific playlists such as my Premiere Pro tutorials, my After Effects tutorials, Lightroom, video creation. You can see that some are horizontal rows, some are vertical. And it's just a great way to feature different videos. So in my channel that I just created, I don't have videos to play around with, but all you really have to do is click add a section. So each of these are sections that you add. You choose the content, so you can choose a single playlist. You can choose your popular uploads, for example. You can choose all of the videos you've posted. You can even add other channels' videos if you want. And then you choose whether you want it to be a vertical list or a horizontal row. Let me show you this more in action on my channel. So here's my channel, and I can edit this by clicking Customize Channel. All right, so here we're going to look at featured content and channel trailers in a future lesson. But here you can see all of these. So here's, if I click edit, you can kind of see what this looks like. So this is a row of popular uploads in a horizontal row. So these are my most popular videos all here for people to see. Here are photography videos and tutorials. So if I click here, you can see that it's a single playlist and it's a vertical list. And then when you choose playlist, this drop down opens up for my playlist and you get to choose which playlist you want to include. To get rid of any of these, for example, I'm going to get rid of Online Course Masters for here. I'm just going to click edit and trash it. And same with personal finance videos if I want, or I can move it up. So for example, if I want to put my personal finance videos up top, I can move it up. You want to really make sure you're putting your best content forward. So put the best videos that you want people to see at the top. A lot of the times this is going to be like your most popular videos or the ones that you've recently posted. But if there is a specific playlist of videos, you can create a playlist and put those up at the top of your channel as well. To be honest, most people aren't going to be finding your videos from your channel. They're just going to be seeing your videos after they've subscribed in the subscriptions tab. So if you click subscriptions in the drop-down menu over here, it gets to all of the videos that have been uploaded by people you've subscribed to. So here's my list of people I've subscribed to. You got Casey Neistat, Mari Hapoya, Caleb Wojcik, Justin Odisho, a lot of great Peter McKinnon, Pat Flynn, a lot of guys that I look up to. And so that's where people are going to see your videos. But nevertheless, it's a nice idea to make your channel look good and clean and really try to navigate people through a path towards watching specific videos of yours. Because you might have some older videos that are in playlists that people aren't going to find, but if you can make them more likely to be found by placing them and highlighting them on your channel, that's going to get those videos more views. All right, if you have any questions, let me know about how you customize the layout of your channel.